Shannonside Northern Sound presents our Midsummer's Day with the Stars Country Music Festival at Roscommon Racecourse on Sunday 25th of June with
Nathan Carter,
Big Tom,
For dusty roads forever in the caverns of my mind.
Michael English,
Sugar, sugar, and the heart speaks.
Jimmy Buckley,
Philomena Begley,
Patrick Feeney,
Keep your hands up, red-haired Mary. Her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in a married bed.
Margot,
Your people are so kind and so true, and no matter where I roam, I am always going home.
Lisa McHugh,
Lay a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song for me, and I'll sing.
Johnny Brady,
And your man on the telly says it's us to pay their debt. Tell me, lads, is there any chance we reach the bottom yet?
Cleona Hagan,
And here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. One step to the left. 3, 4, 5, 6. Give it all your best.
Jim Devine,
loves to dance. Leon loves to dance. When the music starts, it lifts her heart like a fairy tale romance.
Jerry Guthrie,
There's a new moon over my shoulder, and an old love still in my heart.
and introducing Jake Carter.
Be the best, but I'm far from the worst.
13 acts all on one stage.
tickets are just €25 and available from Shannonside Studios in Longford.
Northern Sound Monaghan, Multi-Sound in Cavan, Sound Quality Gifts Monaghan,
ETL Roscommon,
Multis Carrick and Shannon,
McDonough's Topaz Boyle,
Towies Ballahadreen,
Cahill Super Value Castlereagh,
Golden Discs Athlone,
Donlands News Agent Longford.
and Ticketmaster.ie.
Get your tickets now and don't miss the biggest country music festival this year.
See you in Roscommon on the 25th of June.